welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually very excited because I got this package in the mail, and here, let's go ahead and open it. So it is the MSCHF and Fenty Beauty collab. They did this makeup or ketchup thing, which I thought was very cool and very different and unique. And look at the packaging, it's so cute. Definitely like it. Ketchup or makeup. I love how they did half tomato, half red lip. Very nice. And it says do not eat. And it has Fenty Beauty right here and MSCHF in the back. And it has like a whole little explaining thing in the back, which is very cool and detailed. And let's go ahead and open this. Okay. Alright, this is how it looks. Wow, look at that. It looks so neat and organized and just looks like regular ketchup. Oh, the packaging feels very nice. It doesn't feel cheap. Very thick. It doesn't look like it has too much of the product inside, but I guess we'll see how many are ketchup and how many are lippies. Alright, so let's go ahead and open our first victim. This is how she looks. I just don't even want to open them. They're so cute. Oh, this is ketchup. This is ketchup. Oh, you can definitely smell it. Let's see. Yep. That's ketchup. Look at that. Ugh. Alright, our first one was ketchup. Alright, I don't even know which one to pick next. Alright, I'm gonna pick this one on the side. Alright, let's see. Oh, this is a lippy. You can tell. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Alright, let's see. It's like a reddish pink gloss. Tastes, oh yeah, tastes good. I wonder if they're all the same, like the same tone. Very nice. Feels sticky on the finger, but it doesn't feel sticky on your lips. Alright, so we opened two and we got a ketchup and we got a lippy, which is very exciting. I don't know, would you guys try this, or have you already? I don't want to open the rest because I don't even know if they're all going to be this, and I kind of want to get little containers to squeeze out the product so I don't just throw it away. So I'll probably do a part 2 to this, and I'll open the rest and see how many are ketchup and then how many are lip glosses, and if they are the same. If you know, please comment down below so I'm prepared and I know how many little containers to get. But honestly, this was an overall very cool experience. I really like this concept. I wish I would have known about this because apparently they do different things like this, not with makeup but with other things. So I'm gonna keep an eye out for that and probably get some more and do some more videos on these little things. But if you do, can't even speak, it's like 5 a.m. But if you did get this, let me know in the comments below what you thought and is it worth it. I think it was around like $30 after taxes, or like 27 and some change. And if you haven't, do you think you would get this, and if it's worth it? Let me know in the comments. I'll see everyone in my next video. Bye.